Hi, this is Dr. Vivek. Many people say that using oil on the face is wrong. It blocks all your pores. It's a wrong information, but in Ayurveda, the holistic medical science, we are using it from thousands of years and we haven't seen any of the side effects. Only if your skin is too reactive or you have allergy from a specific oil or from specific stuff, then yes, things can go wrong. Allergies can be from anything. It can be from dust. It can be from vitamin C, from anything. So in general, there are the mistakes that I have seen people do in the daily life, and that's why they don't get the desired effect from the use of the oil. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you what are the mistakes that we should not do when we are using the oil. And yes, I say it again, I believe that oils are good for our skin. Even we can apply it on our face also. So what are the mistakes? The first mistake that I have seen people do is using too much of oil. Actually, I don't think that more than 2 drops of oil we need. Maybe 3 drops, not more than that. But I have seen people using lots of oil on their face, and that's why it causes problem. The second thing that I have seen is people apply the coconut oil or the another oil and then they say, oh, it's just staying on my skin, it's closing my pores. Yes, it will be. Why? Because first of all, you're applying the oil directly on the dry skin. Oil are not the hydrators. They just lock the moisture that is in your skin. So never apply oils on the dry skin. Apply it on the humid skin or the moist skin. For example, after your shower, you can apply this oil and it can help you. This is the second mistake. The third one is using the wrong oil for the wrong skin. For example, coconut oil I have talked about. Coconut oil is good for your skin only if your skin is too dried. I will recommend coconut oil for people who are living in cold places and their skin are too dry, then only I will recommend. Otherwise, in general, I will recommend to use the light oils as watermelon seed oil, raspberry seed oil, these kinds of light oils to apply on the face. That will be better option. The another mistake that I have seen people doing is if they are applying the oil, especially the coconut oil or any other oil, they are applying it without any humectant. Means again on the dry skin. It's better to mix it with an humectant and then apply it. If you'll see my home remedies, I have told many of the home remedies using the oils, but maximum of the times it is not single oil. Either I will say to apply the oil after you rinse your hand, either I will say to mix it with vegetable glycerine or something like that and then apply on your face or any part of your body. So this is so that your skin gets the humidity and it locks that humidity and you don't get that dry skin, and the oil locks the humidity that's inside your skin. So these are some common mistakes that generally people do. I hope this information will be helpful for you. And plus one more recommendation, that just don't stick with one oil for whole of your life. If avocado oil is good for you, yes, you can use it. Plus you can try for the almond oil or the sweet almond oil and try on your skin. Means in the morning you tried the avocado oil or the almond oil, in the evening you are trying the another one. So just experiment with the oils because every oil has its own different effect. Give full nourishment to your skin, eat healthy, then only these oils, this stuff which you are applying from outside will give good effects. I hope my message and the information is clear. Hope it will be helpful for you. Smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.